first of its kind in the world. It is really the revolutionary safety gadget. A mechanical windshield wiper that can be mounted on almost any motorcycle helmet. It's small, it weighs only 55 grams, and it's aerodynamically shaped so it doesn't deflect oncoming air. At the same time, it effectively sweeps raindrops from the glass, greatly. Manufacturers are already working on autonomous bikes, capable of responding to your beck and call, and the latest cutting-edge machines can even balance themselves, accelerate, turn, and stop without rider interaction. The self-balancing system makes small left and right adjustments to the wheel in order to balance the bike. Self-balancing is just one component of the future of motorcycles as driving assistance systems similar to those used in four-wheel vehicles. The Motoroid uses onboard computer and cameras to not only drive on its own, but also to recognize its owner and respond to gestures. The Yamaha Motoroid is the pinnacle of the Motobot concept that the company has been working on since 2014. For those who don't know how to change a flat tire, it can be a big problem. Athar Trade, a company based in Malaysia, has come up with a solution, the running tire. It's wheels for your wheel. Drive your flat tire onto a cradle with 3 tiny wheels and drive somewhere in with airless wheel technology. Punctures, flats, and blowouts will become a thing of the past. The company plans to launch the product as soon as 2024. The vehicles and fleets of tomorrow, whether autonomous, all-electric, shared service or other applications, will demand near-zero maintenance from the tire to maximize their operating capabilities. The wheel features an aluminum core beneath a tire built out of composite rubber and high-strength resin embedded.
A company called Aptera